mark me.
VOD pala, yung
Can
VOD.
someone drag Lateralus?
Record, yung mga di pa nag-record.
Ako
But he can
mag-record.
follow the call? No.
Skill check.
Beast.
God, in here.
So
Check
jump
it out,
into
guys.
portal 3, guys. Jump into portal 3 and just wait here. Party leaders mark me as star. I'm standing on the.
Na-mark nyo na?
Nakamark na rin si Salty. Okay na.
And get your food buffs going.
Ano mark ni Sol? Ayun.
Yeah, if they spawn in here, just let them be, let them run. We've got 3 minutes to get everything right. Get your markers up where you need to. Can you remark, Aaron? I can't see.
Anong portal ulit?
3.
Get your VODs recording.
Tanggalin ko na lang yung...
Teka, anong map ba to? Shattered Temple.
Erin lagged out and lag. So she's somewhere else.
I'm standing on the statue, guys. I'm standing on the statue.
Off names.
Di yata gumagana yung
On the
feud
big
dito.
statue.
Bakit hindi mo ano?
Hmm.
Nasa public ako ng Calamity Disc daw. Papasukin mo dito sa ano, sa Calamity War muna.
Wait lang.
May wala
do they
yata
wanna
Ay,
wait
siyang
till
gago.
link.
1 minute mark
Disabled. Tulo.
to start, or what's their plan?
We'll just wait, yeah. until
Check
1
ko nga
minute
kung
mark.
gumagana yung feud.
Yep.
Wait lang.
Right, let's start. We'll start moving up towards the stairs, guys.
Just,
Yeah, there is no
to
pins.
reminder,
May tao sa taas ah.
start,
Dun sa ano.
there will be a
Dito?
vision
Kita
spot
nyo ba?
in the left side of the moonstone near portal 1, so I think they're gonna use that
May tao.
vision spot
We just
that
wait on
Yeah.
wait on the edge. We wait on the edge. We're gonna fly in, but we wait until the minute mark, then we fly in.
Ah, parang bad idea yung mag-fly tayo.
Parang...
Natin stamina.
Parang
nangyari sa atin
sorry
to dati, ah.
call yun ah.
These guys are already trying to pigeon.
No.
Right, on 1 minute, we're gonna push
Yeah.
into them. Okay, we're gonna push
Kailang
left side of the
maglalakad lang
pillars.
ako.
Okay,
Ako din.
into the open field, then we push.
Bummer
down
naman
the
tayo.
road.
Pwede atang
We're gonna go
sila
through
una.
Tayo sa ano,
the
gilid.
Sila mauna. Dito ako eh.
Sa left side tayo.
Oo.
Dito sa stairs.
Rayulan, left side tayo. Yaman mo sila makipag-clash.
Madami din ah.
Ready, guys?
Madami din ah.
5,
Sa ano.
4, 3, 2, and 1.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Yeah,
Wait
yeah,
natin.
yeah,
Wait
yeah, sila,
natin.
yeah, yeah, sila.
Wait
Yan
natin.
nyo sila, yan nyo sila.
Why did I just go straight down? What the fuck? Right, left
Yan
side
yung
of the
sila
pillars. Left
makipag-
side of the pillars.
Baba tayo.
Dito, dito. Dito muna, dito muna. Patayin natin yung papasok sa kanila.
Don't let them cut you. Don't let them cut you, guys. Don't let them cut you.
Pinapatay ko yung Egon, ti ah.
You guys are flying,
GS.
flying towards the stairs now. Flying towards the stairs. Towards the stairs is where we fight. Towards the stairs is where
Dito,
we fight.
dito. Dito ako kay Patatas. Kay Patatas. Need yung tulungan si Patatas.
Inuuna ako.
Fight quite hard, dude. Just keep fighting where you guys can.
Oh my
You
god.
guys just
Oh,
keep zombie in.
Nakadebo sila. Walang bawas.
Ang sakit.
Puta,
Keep in
nakadebo.
mind, we're going for a full reset back up the stairs.
Patay na wipe din. Yan.
Full reset back up the stairs, guys. Full reset.
Feeling ko, sa likod pa sila.
Full reset, guys.
Sa
Full
likod pa
reset.
tayo, no?
Wait up the stairs. Wait
Di,
up the stairs. Wait up,
lumilipad
wait up,
tayo
wait up.
kaya di tayo red.
Dito,
These
dito
guys
kaya
are
tayo
gonna cut
dumaan
into a
mamaya.
backline, guys, so you
Dito
guys
na
need to
part,
send
sa likod
tornadoes out
mismo.
Left and right.
Sige.
Heal up. Get everyone healthy. If they overextend, you
Paano
guys
ako
just pick
pat-
them off. You guys have the high ground advantage at the moment. Are we all here? You run nice and healthy. Get your stacks going. Right. We're coming in. We're
putang
coming
ina
in.
mo, nahulog
Right
Dito
side,
kaya
guys,
tayo
right side,
kinakato.
right. They're
Asan ba
they're
si Kato?
flanker on the left hand side. Flankers, you guys
Putang
want
ina
to
mo.
jump down left. Main ball, we're going straight down the stairs, right? Get
Ito
ready.
yung mga stock
Straight
na
down
sa
the stairs,
dito,
jumping off.
nasa
Straight down the
gilid.
stairs, jumping off.
Yung na...
Dito tayo.
Oo.
Siguro
Stairs,
natin.
jumping off right
Dito
side.
kayo, dito kayo.
Dito tayo, dito.
Dito, dito.
Move, guys, move, guys, move, guys. Come on, come down, come down, come down. And you
Wait
go
lang,
straight
Tix.
into them, straight into them. Tornadoes through,
Gago,
tornadoes
yun,
through.
nandito na sila.
Tornadoes through now. Tornadoes through. Play in your parties. Your blood devo and you're going in.
Ayun,
Okay, yeah, ito.
Ano?
Pupunta ako sa stock ay sa ship.
Asan si Tix?
Yep, these guys are just cutting straight off.
Can we just zombie for a bit and try to do something and then?
I mean, we can try zombie. We're going to be outnumbered, but we try zombie. Just keep zombieing into the open field.
Wait lang ah.
Sige lang.
Patay yun sa. Kaso,
You guys are just going to keep zombieing into the open field. Keep zombieing into the open field.
fuck.
Wala lang dilaw dito.
Oo, kaya medyo nag...
Keep
Ano ako.
kills, spawning portal 3 and going in.
Hindi ko nakita kung saan pumunta. Saan ka pumunta, Tix?
Doon na lang kaya tayo sa likod ng ano, para mapatay natin yung mga DPS.
Na-burn na naman
Oo.
yung mana
Keep
ko.
playing around the stairs.
Saan?
around the
Gusto nyo-
stairs. We're
gusto
gonna
nyo-
try and place like pigeons pigeons
Saan
can
tayo?
Wala akong mana. Wala akong mana.
Papunta
play
likod.
open. Aim for the DPS, guys. Aim
Sige,
for the
regroup
DPS,
tayo,
not-
regroup.
not their hit-
Okay, wait ko
not
kayo
their-
dito sa ano?
their, tanks.
Dito, sa may X na ano.
Siguro natin na.
Oh,
Oh,
uy,
we're
nahook.
taking portal 1 from now on.
We're
Wala.
taking
Go?
people
Go
back.
tayo? May stock dito na pwede
No.
wait.
Okay.
San?
Wait,
Sige,
wait,
sige, Tix,
wait,
sige.
Where does portal 1
Wait
come
na
out
po.
at?
Ito.
Or down
Portal
the
1,
stairs,
temple
okay.
1, down.
Yan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Puta.
If you guys are coming through then, right?
Yan, mga
you guys are
lawin.
coming back
To hell.
Ah,
Hindi. Wala tayo
Coming
kasama.
back from the stairs. Coming back from portal 1 then.
Nag-back pala.
Portal 1 pala. Nag-back sila, Tix.
So portal 1
Meteor
is-
tsaka ano lang yung
Right.
follow-up ko.
We play the stairs.
Meteor
This is
tsaka
our turn.
focus
Around
fire
this pillar.
bombs.
Dito na tayo pumasok.
Where they're gonna push into us.
Basta yung DPS natin. Shit.
Saan kayo? Saan kayo?
Sa 1.
Sige, sige.
Portal 1.
So making sure you guys are getting your targets right, guys. Making sure you guys are getting your targets right. Go for the cap and then we'll just play around the pillars. Play around the pillars, guys.
Okay ba nila?
Hindi,
Hindi,
hindi
ikakap
lumabas.
natin tapos
Making sure you guys
atake.
are targeting
takas
your
na.
DPS.
Parang gusto
alright?
kong pumunta sa ano.
You can climb this firewall where Bato is.
Testing na iti-depend.
Yeah,
Ayan.
we're gonna be trying to push into them, alright? We're gonna be trying to push into them when they come in.
For range.
Saan sila galing?
Flankers
Ah,
start going
Sa,
right
dyan
side.
sa taas.
Flankers
Side
start.
tayo.
See Kato and that are on the right side. They're gonna jump in.
Hindi ata ka siya
Pushing
pag
in
isang
now,
party
guys.
lang yung
Now we need
nandito.
to start cutting into them.
Dalawa yung
Pushing
kanila
up,
kanina eh.
Pushing up. Cutting
Tara,
in,
tara,
cutting in,
tara,
cutting into the
tara.
DPS. Into the DPS now. Into the DPS.
Sige, mauna ka,
Move up
Tix.
off the point, guys. Into the
Di ako
DPS.
na.
Move up off the point
Flip
into
ko.
the DPS.
Yang wawawawa.
Move up
Ang
into
ina.
the DPS, guys. Into the DPS.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Don't clump.
Yan, nag-jump.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Devo,
Sleep
you
mo,
go
Tix.
in.
Ah!
Devo, you
Yun.
clean everything up. Look for star. If you
Meteoring,
don't,
meteoring.
Fly around the stairs. Use our
Ah,
advantage.
smoke screen. Naka-smoke screen.
May smoke din ako dito. Yung mga
Oh, no,
nagda-dive sa
no.
atin ah.
Using our home point advantage at the stairs. Using our home point advantage at the stairs.
Babalik pa dyan, Dev.
Ano si Kay?
I'm down.
Fuck.
Coming back.
Puta, ang dami stun. Yan.
We're going portal 1 again, yeah.
Kasi Kalo help. Oh, fuck. Patay.
You guys just keep going back.
Pucha, ang kunat.
Wala nang
Naka-dev.
dilaw. Wala nang dilaw.
Heal up who you can.
Oo.
Wala nang dilaw.
Alright, they're just gonna push you out of the portal 1, okay?
Wala na.
Come back from portal 1, then come back.
Ulit.
Hindi namatay.
Get into our digital.
Wala na rin, wala na rin.
guys. Stop pushing in. Come
Hindi
back,
ko
come back,
nakikita
come
yung HP ng mga red. Wait lang. Ayusin ko nga.
back. We have to regroup with everyone.
Tulak pa.
Alright, you guys need to get your targeting right. Killing their DPS. Right,
Healing
we're gonna
touch.
push. This choke is gonna be horrendous, so we have to try and go through where we can. So as we're going through, you guys are splitting to the right and to the left of the choke, okay? Coming on, move.
They're not defending the choke. They went back at portal 3 spot from above. They can go inside.
Okay.
Alright.
Dito lang tayo sa stairs.
So as they fly in, guys, I want you guys
Feeling ko
spreading
two
out,
party
okay? I
dapat
want you
yung
guys
nasa
spreading
likod
Oh,
eh.
kahit wag na tayo siguro umikot.
Okay?
Wag na tayo umikot.
Don't clump up.
Dapat may isa pa
And then
dito.
we cut into their DPS, okay?
Ito, tulungan natin.
Sa kaliwa.
Ayun,
Ito
yun,
sa kanan,
yun.
sa kanan.
To.
If you're
Yan,
in
yan,
DPS, you can actually jump here at the left side of the boomstone near the stairs.
Dito sama tayo dyan sa ano.
Oh, dapat.
Dalawa
Ay,
tayo
ang aga nila.
You can do
Dapat pumunta muna sila
Uy,
dito.
Right,
Balik
move,
kayo,
move,
boy.
spread, guys,
Agawa ng mga yan.
Nice,
spread
yan,
around the
bumalik,
point,
yan,
spread around.
bumabalik
Wake
sila.
up, guys, wake up.
Ready.
Spread around the
Ready.
point. You guys are coming into the DPS, coming into the DPS.
Wait natin.
Into the pillars, into the DPS.
Tara.
Nice, wrap
Ready,
around.
ready.
Clean up around
Riva
the pillars.
Jess.
Clean up
Riva
the
Jess
pillars.
is sleep ko ah.
Sige. Oh,
Yan, na-sleep.
na ano ka na.
Sleep here.
Na-mature na.
Yung
Tanggalan
Natin,
ko man,
natin, natin.
Clean up the pillars.
Smoke
And
screen.
then
Smoke screen tayo.
look-
Smoke screen. May
look
smoke
towards the
screen
point.
ako.
Come
Nako,
back in front.
ayan na.
Moving towards the point now. Moving towards the point. Come
Dying
towards
isa
the
man
start.
yours. Ang kulit nitong
Malikuran
Horsea.
din tayo.
Keep your healing buff going. Keep everyone nice and healthy.
Riva Jess. Pwede. Riva
Keep
Jess.
dropping
Low
in,
health.
hitting from behind.
Ayan na,
From
ine-ep.
behind.
Wala na,
Ah,
ine-epit na ako.
puta. Nag-heal.
Nalikuran
Jump
din
in,
tayo.
from behind. Come through the truck, Tornado through and get through.
Portalon ha, portalon.
Oh,
Keep your healing touch up,
Tara,
guys.
tara.
Keep your healing touch up. Alright, tornado through that choke and push through. Tornado through that choke and get through.
Siyulan.
Tanks, you just coming through. Tanks, you come through. Push through. Make a way for our DPS to come through.
Okay.
Dayang Aero,
Busting tank.
Zora.
Tanks pushing through. Tanks
Pahila ka?
pushing in. Tanks pushing in.
Langit. Okay na. Ako wala akong pang ano, heal.
Lemon R. Oh shit. Ulang.
Moving in,
Oh,
guys.
shit.
Moving in.
Bak muna, bak muna, bak muna. Bak muna kayo.
Wala debo.
Okay, babalik ako.
Ayan na.
Spread out around.
Kaya lang, nakasmoke pa ako dito.
Focusing on.
Oh,
Ang daming meteor. Ayan. Kupayat talaga yung nahook.
Pasok.
Keep your
Wala,
healing
wala
touch
akong
up,
mana,
guys.
na-burn
Keep
na
it
naman
nice and
mana ako,
healthy.
putang ina.
Stress ka muna. Stress ka muna eh.
Wala nga.
Tapos mag-melt.
Ah, putang ina mo.
Oo nga eh.
Come back from that choke now. Come back from that choke. Regroup.
Kikil niya.
Regroup.
Ayan na.
We can't win that choke by zombie. Regroup. Come back to star, guys. Come back to star.
Mag-melt din ako.
Walang mana.
Lahat yata ng staff nila may ganun.
May antayan na.
Oo, to.
Right. When we're all here,
Oh.
we're gonna push in through the choke.
Tara,
Putang ina.
ikot tayo.
Tanks coming through. Tanks getting ready. Tanks. You guys ready? Up front. Tanks up front. DPS just go
Mag-AOE
left
na
and
lang
right
ako.
of the wall, left and
Tara,
right of the
tara,
wall.
tara.
Bahala na.
Back anyway, never mind.
Wait lang, hindi pa ata sila pumasok.
One suggestion real quick. As they're
Ano, naglalag ako.
moving behind.
Tagal ng PC ko.
Out
Again,
sila.
if you range DPS, there is a strat here in
Okay.
Azrael Ripstone. You see this wall near the stairs,
Lag.
portal 1? You can climb that where Yasha is right now. You can climb that and all our melee will play here just below the bootstone. You can't see me because I DC. Yeah, where Chase is right now, all the range DPS can climb that and you can free hit. And then all our
may
main
taas-
ball can play in this side of
Taas.
the
Bumaba sila, bumaba.
Ripstone, whatever
Yep.
it is.
Oy, dito papunta. Out muna.
This is the Chase.
Boys!
Out muna.
So all range DPS on this side of the wall. Make sure you play near the stone, so you can.
Right, someone
hit
start
your
with
target.
Ay,
camp
dami nun.
on the stone.
Ayun pala si Kay.
Dito
That's
tayo sa
right,
right ah.
we just play
Ah.
back into the stone.
Wag-
We
wag
just
tayo
play back
sumama
into the
sa-
stone. Come back into the stone, guys. Come back into the
Yeah,
stone.
play at the stone, guys. Why are people?
Patayin natin yung nasa taas
Tara,
muna.
tara, Kay.
Puta, na-stuck
Likod,
ako.
likod,
Wait
likod,
lang,
likod.
na-stuck
Maya,
ako.
maya,
Stairs,
maya.
Now
stairs.
you move. Now you move.
Ready,
now
may
you move.
slip ako, slip
You
ako.
spread and
Ge,
you
ge,
go
ge,
in.
ge.
Spread and you go in,
Yan,
guys.
yan, yan,
Spread
yan,
and
yan.
you go in.
Slip, slip. Yan.
Uy,
Okay,
doon
good.
sa
Low health,
kasama
low
niya.
health. Ang dami
Low
low
sila,
health.
low
Low
sila.
Moving in. Killing up DPS.
Putang ina. Nice.
Putang na. Yulan.
Killing the DPS, killing the DPS, guys.